Welcome back, beautiful people. Today I have a little try with me. I'm gonna try this this kit from Amazon that I got. It's a DIY eyelash extension kit. You know this has been viral everywhere. So yeah. So this comes with so this kit comes with lashes, the tweezers, and the seal and bond. So this one does have seal and a bond, and these have 9, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16 sizing of the lashes. Oh, I'm so excited. I don't even wear like false lashes, guys, because I don't even know how to do that, but this looked easy, so I'm like, oh, this should be easy, right? I have a lash curler because I think I want to lash my curls. I want to curl my lashes, so I am just curling my lashes real quick. And I have a mirror, one of these like light up mirrors. I'm nervous because I don't wear lashes, so like I want to look like I could just get up and go, but at the same time it's not, you know what I'm trying. So these tweezers I'm gonna like clean because it's going near my eye socket, and I could read the instructions, but there's no fun in that. But the bond shouldn't go like on the whole lash. It should just go on the part that's closest to your lid, your whatever. Yeah, the line, the water line, I guess. And then you pick your choice. Actually, you know what? Let me follow the directions, because I don't know, I really don't, if you have to wait a little bit once you put the bond. It says 1, curl your lashes. See, I already knew, I didn't even look. Okay, 2, choose the type of lash you want, then apply lash bond on your natural lash, place the cluster underneath your lash, and then repeat, and then brush the lash base with lash seal. Tip to lock. Cool. Should be very oh, and actually has like some lash maps that you can follow. I don't know if this will focus. I'll link it down below. It's from Amazon. Cat eye, open eye, natural eye. I think I want to go for a natural eye. I want to do short, medium, but I don't know, that looks like a lot. So it's saying to do a 9 at the inner corner, I'm assuming, and then 11, 12, 13, 14, and then go back 13, 12. Okay, so we'll try that. I curled my lashes. Now this is the bond right here. That's what it looks like. Yo, nothing is like focusing. Well, I'm going to, and I don't know, I'm so scared. Like, I'm mortally scared. I'm just gonna put it on the base of my lash. Okay, so I think that should be good. Oh, I don't know what's going on right now. Okay, so I have that there now. And now I'm gonna grab my tweezers and I'm going to grab the 9s, because I think I'm gonna start. Should I go here first? You know what, I may start here first. So I'm gonna grab the 12, take 2 clusters, and let me see, I'm gonna put it out here on the edge. Like right where the lash is, so put it right there. Oh my god, that's so cute. Okay, so then it's 12, then you get a 13, Okay, a little 13 cluster. No, it's just a cluster, but for some reason it made me think that there was two of them. Okay, and then right after that one comes this one. This will probably be better like in front of a mirror. No, I'm gonna lift up, okay? And then I'm trying to see where that other cluster was. And then put this one there. Ooh, cute. I just feel like because I'm not used to having lashes, this is gonna be too much. This is gonna be too freaking much. So I'm gonna do another 13. I'm spacing it out a bit. And then 13. And then I'm gonna do 12. So I did a 13. Okay, I'm gonna do another 13 here. This should be like 12. Sorry. It should be right now. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 clusters. And I only did 3 so far. And this one, I think you're supposed to mix it up so it looks more like, and I'm just gonna wipe my tweezers because I feel like some of the glue got on it. Okay, and then now I'm gonna do a 12. I'm gonna do a 12 and a 9. And then hopefully I remember what I did so I could do it on the other side, because otherwise I'm a hot mess. A 12, and then I'm going to do a 9. Maybe I'll do 2 9s because I don't know. I feel like I could do another one. Like another, oh my god, this is like, that's too long. Girl, what's going on? Hold on, maybe I just have to like, I'm gonna press these in. I mean, it doesn't look bad, but I just think it looks, I think I could use another, maybe another 9 on my inner. Don't let me start getting into all this. But I just like to do things myself. I don't want to go pay to get this done, you know? That's why I like do it yourself things. Because one, I'm picky. Okay, perfect. Yeah, that might be better. I don't know, I feel like on the camera it's looking a little weird. I personally do not like that. I probably would have done 12s, 11s, and 9s. That's what I would have done. Actually, maybe I would have done that open eye, because this is like a natural eye. You should have done like open eye. Okay, anyways, so moving on to the next, because it's too late now. I am going to grab some of the seal right here. Oh shit, look at that. And this is scary right now, putting this near my eye. And I'm just gonna seal that. I don't even know how much you're supposed to put, like what? I don't want to blink. I don't want to blink. Because I don't know if I'm going to get this in my eye or not. Okay, so don't blink because I don't know if this is like some type of glue or something. And then I'm just going to press these together. It is. It's some fucking type of glue. Bitch. Okay, so you know what? Just leave it alone. Don't be playing with it. Don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it. Especially if it's your first time. Okay, if you're more like professional about it, like whatever, but okay. Girl, look at this. I don't think it's supposed to look like that. Like, I think I fucked it up. I think I moved it. Now it's messed up. Well, whatever, it's done. Just gonna let that dry. I feel like I should be doing this. I don't know. Like, I don't want it to dry on my, like, run on my eye, you know? Okay, alright. I don't know if I love it. But then again, I didn't listen to the little map it had there. I might have done, I should have done like 10, 11, 12, 13, 20, 12, 11, 10. But I like the 9. I really like the 9. I think if anything, I would do 9s and 12s. 9s, 12s, probably 9, 11, and 12s. That would probably more my vibes. This is so much easier than trying to put on the falsie, the strip lashes. It's so much easier. Definitely easier. You just have to like do it more to like get the hang of it, type of thing. But it's definitely looking like it's gonna be addictive. Moving on to the next one. Just gonna try to do it just on the base of the lash. It's kind of hard because this is like a glue. Oh, I could feel that like near my eye, guys. Like whatever the freak this is, I hope I don't go blind or this doesn't like cause a allergic reaction, because I also am allergic to random things. Okay, so if worst comes to worst, I can always take it off real fast. Bond is on. And then I did, what did I do? Damn. Well, I followed, 12, 12, 13, 13, 13. That's what I did. I already forgot what I did. And I was going to do something different on the other eye. Oh, not catch. There. But I made it. Okay. I'm going to wipe 313. So this will go right after it. And I think you're supposed to move fast. I don't think you're supposed to go as slow as I'm going. Because once I got to the edge of the other eye, it had like dried. Another 13. These are all jacked up. Okay, and then I'm going to do 2 9s. Because I can't remember. I didn't do an 11, but the map said I should have done an 11 and then the 9. But you see, I'm doing it all messed up. You know what? Whatever. I'll just put this one more over here. And then I'll put another 9. A little bit different. I mean, these will be cousins, not sisters. Listo. It is what it is. It's just gonna have to be what it is. I think like having some like alcohol would be handy, or like alcohol swabs to clean this. To put the seal. It's kind of scary. Okay, so I'm going to do. Oh, I don't even know how I should do this, to be honest. I think I'm gonna use this instead. I just feel like that worked better over there. I'm gonna do this, but you see it gets stuck. And I'm gonna get the bond off, so you know what, just leave it. Just leave it. I know this looks creepy, but I just want it to dry. I mean, you know what, maybe if I get like used to it, then I'll be okay with it. I think it's just because it's new to me and I never have lashes on. The only thing is I'm not sure how long does this last. You know, I think like any oil remover probably, like makeup remover would probably work, to be honest. Like, look at this one. Look how janky that looks. This one looks a lot better. Look, that looks a lot better. This one, like, what is going on? Okay, so that, okay, I mean, it's not like my favorite. Let me know what y'all think. I think it looks cute. The more I'm like looking at it, and plus this light is like really bright, so it's also making it seem a little bit different. but I kind of like it or whatever. Feeling myself a little bit. It's kind of growing on me, but I still think like the 13s are too big. Like I probably like I would probably like 12s, 11, or sorry, like 11, 12, 11, and then 9. That's what I would probably do next time. Let me know if you guys tried this out. Again, I will leave the link to this one down below because I think it was only like $14 and it has a lot of lashes. Because you see, how many did I just use? 7 little clusters. Look at that. And there's so many left. And then I probably won't even use these bottom ones. Or maybe just for like a weekend I'll use these to see what they look like, but I highly doubt I'll like those. I don't even know if you can see. Like, look how these things will be wings. But you know, to each his own. But I don't know about me. I don't know how long I'm supposed to wait for this to like be like, I feel like I'm blinking and it's kind of like wet still. I think the best part is that I don't feel them. Like only when I go like that, because it's like I feel something touching my eyeballs. I know that's weird. Like oh. Hello. It's like I have little feathers touching my face. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.